When installing the voltage divider, first install the base with screws. Then align the screw holes of each section and install and tighten with screws. Next, install the voltage equalizing ring on top of the voltage divider. There is a mounting hole on the top, align it and install the screws. Install the pressure dividing ball column through the hole below and fix it with screws. The 4 points on the top are also fixed with screws. After the voltage equalizing ring is installed, hook one end of the nylon rod under the voltage equalizing ring, and fix the other end on the bottom bracket of the pressure divider. The nylon rod acts as an insulator during the test and cannot be exposed to the sun or rain for a long time. It must be stored in time after the test. This is the effect after the voltage divider is installed as a whole. Each section of the reactor has the same specifications. Each section of the reactor has the same specifications. When we connect in series, we need to remove the lifting screw ring on the bottom reactor first, and then remove the lifting screws after each section is hoisted. When connecting the reactors in series, align the bottom mounting holes of each section with the screws and the side holes with the holes at the top of the lower section, and align the side holes of the upper section with the lifting ring holes of the lower section. The reactor is relatively large in size. When we install the last section, we must first install the grating ring on the ground before the final hoisting step. When installing the equalizing ring on the reactor, pay attention to the installation direction of the equalizing ring. The yellow mark on the equalizer should be aligned with the terminal on the reactor. After alignment, the large hole is screwed onto the reactor and the corresponding small hole on the outside is used to install the column. The reactor also has 2 equalizing rings, and the installation method is the same as the equalizing ring of the voltage divider. Similarly, when we store or move the reactor after the test, we must first install the lifting ring from top to bottom, and then lift and remove it. When the reactor is connected in parallel, it needs to be installed with the screws and wrenches and the accessories.